jgħidu li Elvis miet. Imma min jgħid li Elvis għadu ħaj. Elvis miet jew ħaj?
Ħaj!
Ħaj, lo, kollox ħaj. All right. U jekk ngħidilkom min iħobb l-Elvis minnkom? Waħda. All right. U jekk ngħidilkom Elvis ta' Malta?
Martin Elvis.
All right. U jekk ngħidlek xi kanta Martin Elvis?
Rock and roll.
All right. U jekk ngħidlek fejn ikanta Martin Elvis?
Gateway Diner.
All right. U jekk ngħidlek tuħux pjaċir Martin Elvis?
Ħafna.
U jekk nixtieq ngħidlek titaraħi Martin Elvis?
Iżgur ħafna wkoll.
All right. Mela Martin Elvis. Wow.
Well, it's a 1 for the money, a 2 for the show, a 3 get it ready now, go, cat, go, but don't you step on my blue suede shoes. Well, you can do anything, lay over my blue suede shoes. Well, you can knock me down, step on my face, slander my name all over the place. Do anything that you wanna do, but I'll hardly lay hard on my shoes, but don't you step on my blue suede shoes. Well, you can do anything, lay over my blue suede shoes. Play it, boys. Well, you can burn my house, steal my car, or drink my liquor from an old fruit jar. Do anything that you wanna do, but I'll hardly lay hard on my shoes. But don't you step on my blue suede shoes. Well, you can do anything, lay over my blue suede shoes. Yeah! Well, it's a 1 for the money, a 2 for the show, a 3 get it ready now, go, 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 but don't you step on my blue suede shoes. Well, you can do anything, lay over my blue suede shoes. Well, it's a blue suede shoes, a blue suede shoes, yeah, a blue suede shoes, baby, a blue suede shoes. Well, you can do anything, lay over my blue suede shoes.